Something about Blarney elicits the purest feelings of warmth and affection.
Eat glass, Blarney! Die, scum! Die!
Well, I gotta say, I'm with him.
And swerved into the goods yard. Thomas shut his eyes. I must stop. When he opened his eyes, he saw...
Just skidded on the oily rails. Oh, no! Hooted Percy.
Even when walking through the dark valley of death, I will not be You provide delicious food for me in the presence of my enemies. Your goodness and unfailing kindness shall be with me all of my life.
Too little, too late, Pharaoh.